नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम शशांक जैन है. आई एम co-founder of Vodafone Interiors. I hope you are liking my videos which we make for you to understand. So today I am in the market and I am gonna show you different type of carpets or rugs available. So for dining areas, drawing room areas and bedrooms. Before I get deep into it, I will request you to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification button there. So guys, these are the carpets or widely called as rugs in the market. इसका जो साइज़ है, this is 5 feet by 7 feet. This is one of the biggest size available in the market. तो 5 feet by 7 feet का ये कारपेट है जो कि सोफ़े के नीचे आता है. When there is a center table के नीचे आएगा और वो सोफ़े की legs तक कवर करेगा. इसका पर्पस ये होता है. So this is one of a very bright color which is there in the living room. So this is another color with golden and grays. So when the living room shape is or it has more golden colors or it might have more blank colors, you can use some pop colors using carpets. So that is the purpose. So this is also a very nice carpet and I really like it because of the stripes they have. So it is golden stripes fused with the grey base. It looks very nice. So this is a modern carpet where it is more blocks. So a lot of colorful blocks are placed on top of it. This is purely grey and very subtle. So if you already have pop-up colors living room के अंदर, तो you can use this to tone it down. Another color. So this is also a very nice carpet if you see. It has some texture of mustard and greys. Looks very nice. This is also very nice, guys. So you can use reds in the carpets or in the pop-ups wherever possible, and it will really make the living room very beautiful. ये भी अच्छा है, इसका blue and mustard का tone है, so it's also good. This is what they have in the collection. So if you go out to the market, you'll be able to see a lot of variety here in this particular category. So this is very bold brown. So it is very dark. So if you have a big living room with a lot of windows, you can use this. Welcome Sanjana back to the channel. So Sanjana will be showing us more about the fur carpets. What are the varieties do we have?
Thank you. So I'll start with the carpets here. So these are basically the fur carpets. If you can see, these are very soft and very comfortable to sit on, and even if you do not want to sit on the sofa, you can directly sit on this. Like, this is my personal favorite. So the best thing about the carpet, like this kind of carpet, is that you can have a neutral color of sofa upon this with some colored cushions that would pop up the sofa. So these are, I'll show you the carpets. These are the fur carpets. Like this is a very beautiful color. If you see, we can also have a royal blue or turquoise sofa placed upon this, which will look very beautiful and very classy. And this is a carpet that will need a huge maintenance, but no doubt this is one of the most elegant colors in the world. So if you see, this is the rabbit fur carpets. This is very beautiful. Like the texture, the feel is very beautiful. Then I'll show you a different look at this carpet, the black carpet. You can have a crimson red color sofa placed on it along with a golden color cushion over it. This will look fabulous, I'm sure. Then I'll show you the different carpet, the third kind of carpet, which is this. This is a shaggy carpet. So these are different kinds of fur carpets. It's just the name that is given differently to all the carpets. So this is all about the carpets. The size of the carpet is 4 feet by 6 feet. So this carpet is placed up, under the table and it goes till the sofa. The size of these carpets is 4 feet by 6 feet, and the starting range of these carpets is 9,000, which I think is a decent amount to invest in because this is the only thing that would add grace to your room.
So guys, I'm gonna show you a different size of the carpet now. अभी हमने 5 by 7 देखा था for the drawing room or the living room. Now we are talking about the bedroom. तो ये 2 feet by 5 feet का carpet है. Very beautiful. So if you see, if you add these carpets to your bedroom, even if you don't have many colors, it will bring a lot of pop-up colors and it will definitely add some value there. And you don't believe the size and the range is very cheap. It will start from 1500 rupees per carpet and goes up to about 20,000, 25,000 rupees per bedroom. So look at this. It's a beautiful color. So if you add this to your bedroom, the bedroom becomes ultra modern and it will look very nice. This is a good pop-up color which you can use in the bedroom. So this is also a good carpet which we can use in our browns or the beigeish rooms we have, or in the parents' room if you want to add some colors there. This is one of a very good carpet which can be used in your bedroom. I hope you liked my video today about carpets and different sizes. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button there to keep you updated about the latest videos and uploads. Thank you so much.